we go. Is it started? Yeah. We're started. Hi and welcome. I never know what to say. I don't know what to say. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be based on the beautiful Benefit range. I've got my beautiful nieces here with me today. We've got India and Deia, and we're going to be demonstrating some of the Benefit range. So, if this is your first time to my channel, all videos are based on beauty and lifestyle inspiration. So if that is your thing, please hit the bell, hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and let's just get started. So, how do you like your makeup to look?
Oh, generally I quite like it natural.
Yeah,
because it looks better.
Because you've got beautiful complexion, so you don't want to sort of mask it.
Yeah. And then for party, I like to do more like bold look.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
tend to do that, but...
So what we thought we'd start with today is a couple of products that really drew me to Benefit when I was 18. It was these two products, which is the amazing High Beam and Benetton, and Deia is going to demonstrate that. So I'm going to bring Deia in the front, and then India is going to do some contouring for us. And what else did you want to
I might do some highlighting
today?
and then do my brows and then maybe some mascara.
The girls are going to do their own makeup to show how easy the products are actually to use, and I might use a little bit of the Posy Tint, which I love, and Hula. I think they work really, really beautifully together. India's going to be using the Cabral from Benefit to define her eyebrows a little bit, and Deia's going to be using the Benetint and the High Beam. And just to say, girls, how old are you guys?
15
and
12.
And 12. So this makeup is such a gorgeous brand for everybody from like 12 years old, possibly a little bit younger if you want to start playing with makeup. The makeup's so much fun, and I love it as well myself, and I'm nearly 40.
And then I'm using the brush as well.
And do you find the brush really helps?
Yeah, it really helps.
Actually, that makes such a difference.
Yeah,
doesn't
it does, yeah.
That looks amazing. I might get you to do mine. I think young girls are so good at doing their makeup now. Sometimes younger girls put so much makeup on their actual skin.
Yeah.
And I just love you girls. I look at your complexions, I think they're so fresh and beautiful. You don't need much. And you've actually put a bit of a base on, haven't you, India?
Yeah, I put a little bit of
fresh that is.
moisturiser on.
Look how you've done that. You can still see your freckles coming through.
Yeah.
I would use it. Maybe try this one, because I've used up so much of that High Beam. Try that. The products are so easy to use.
So if you go wrong or you want to perfect your eyebrows, you can use the concealer from Benefit.
That is a really good tip. And also it gives a sharper edge as well.
Yeah.
What do you think, Deia? Do you like it?
Yeah, I do, yeah. So shall I put it like, because you told me to put it like here.
Do it on top of your nose, do it a tiny bit on top of your nose.
And here, and then there.
And just on your Cupid's bow will look really, really pretty as well. And it gives you such, it really gives, the High Beam gives such an ethereal glow. It looks gorgeous. Really pretty. And just blends into the skin.
It's
It's
such
almost
an easy
invisible.
product to use.
Which one's that?
So easy
That's
to
the
apply.
eyebrow.
Yeah. The Precisely My Brow Pencil.
And what a difference. Your eyebrows looks really different to when you first started. Where I'd put it just here on it, more on like the apples of your cheeks. That's it.
Yeah.
And that just gives a really pretty flare.
Now I'm going to be using the Bad Girl mascara from Benefit.
Amazing. And how do you get on with this normally?
It's really easy to use.
I like the brush on this one because it's really soft.
Yeah. Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Do you find it blends quite easily into your skin? Easy
Yeah,
to use?
it's quite easy, like especially when you use like something else on top as well.
And you
Because
can
then it
blend
like
it together.
mixes, yeah.
And you girls have got lovely long eyelashes anyway, but it really accentuates it.
Adds a lot more volume to your lashes as well when you apply it.
Does. Look at the difference. Really nice. What do you think of that?
I like it because it's like, it doesn't do too much to your lips and it's not like too much, but then it just like
It's
makes it
such
a bit
more
like,
natural look.
Really nice and natural. And then you can
and
always
it rubs
add a
in really easily.
Yeah. I mean, that is a really lovely, natural, fresh look. And sometimes you can't always see on camera that that's actually more than enough on your skin.
Now I'm going to be using the contour with this Blacknista. And I'm using the shade Hula. Yeah, I've had 3 of these ones already. Yeah. Also, there's 2 shades as well, so...
Oh, okay. So which one is the
I'm using
darker
this
one?
Hula one, but if you're much lighter tone or want more natural kind of look. You
If
go
you're
for
more
the hula
fair at
light.
the start of the summer,
Yeah.
you might go for the hula light.
Yeah, I tend to go for that one in the winter because
Yeah.
it matches my skin tone more. When you do it, you want to push it right back into your hair, so because if not, you'll see it all
So
white.
it looks natural.
Yeah.
And you're using the mascara as well.
Bad girl mascara.
It really does make such a difference.
Yeah,
doesn't
it makes it a lot like.
You know what?
It makes your eyes stand out as well. Like,
You know
Yeah.
what I really love about it on both of you? It doesn't look spiky or clumpy. It just, your eyelashes still look really soft, but just defined.
yeah. And if you
Yeah.
keep adding more, you can add a lot more volume to your lashes. But that's why
Really
I'm using
pretty.
more party look. And then you could also add a bit more to the sides of your nose
Oh,
to make your
okay.
nose stand out a bit more.
Just define your nose a little bit as
Yeah.
well. What have you got there?
This is the
India?
Gold Rush mini version.
Ooh, that looks gorgeous. It's like a
And it's
peachy.
peachy with shimmers of gold in it as well.
Ooh, I might have to try that as well.
Oh yeah, that'd
Do you
be
know
really
what? I
pretty.
feel like Posy Tint and Gold Rush might go quite nice together. Did you
Yeah.
use that as a blusher?
Yeah, I did as well.
Did
Yeah,
you?
but yeah.
It looks really pretty. Okay, I don't know what to do now. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use the Posy Tint.
Like, do you want it in like? Shall I just do like?
I'm just gonna add a bit of the high beam.
Okay.
What I like about both of them is that it doesn't come up like too much.
Yeah, it's really sheer and actually glossy as well. So I'm just going to go for it a little bit. Maybe that's a bit too much. It looks quite a lot more in real life.
But then when you like put it on, you can't really tell as much.
It does just
Oh
blend
yeah, it blends
out
in really well. It blends
quite
in really
nicely.
well.
Oh, that's a bit too much on that side. Let's blend it. But actually, if you keep blending,
And then you add the other stuff on top. You can't really
Yeah.
tell that there's a lot of.
that's quite pretty, isn't it? It's a nice, fresh sort of colour. I might just use my hula, which is
Do you have any
obviously...
brushes I could?
I do. And I'm just going to be using the bronzer brush by, this is Rosie by Autograph. I'm
No, a
just gonna-
thin brush maybe as well. And this as well is so easy to blend into your
You've got the high beam, haven't you?
Yeah, I got the high beam one.
So I'm going to use a little bit of high beam because we love high beam. I use my fingers, but you can use brushes like India and Deia have done. Or I think India's used the brushes. Me and
Yeah.
Deia used our fingers, didn't we?
Yeah.
I love the high beam. I think it just gives such an ethereal sort of glow to the skin, almost like angelic light.
Now I'm going to be using the Benetint. You can also use it for blusher or for lip gloss.
Absolutely. Yeah, like a lip stain.
Lip stain, yeah. Adds a really nice rosy colour to your lips.
It's really, really pretty. I'm going to try the Posy Tint on my lips and see what that looks like. I love the high beam.
Yeah, it's really
They both
nice,
look absolutely
yeah.
gorgeous. Not the high beam, I meant the Benetint.
Yeah. It blends in really well.
It's quite a nice colour, isn't it?
What I like about it is how that you can like use it on your cheekbones and
And your lips.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it's
So I think we've all agreed that Benefit makeup is so easy to use, really fun
Yeah.
product, and just really appealing to all ages, I think. So I think the girls look absolutely gorgeous. I'm
It's
sure
very
we all
easy to
agree.
use the products as well.
Really
Yeah.
easy to use and blend into the skin, and I think
Yeah.
all of us still look really, really natural. And I need to be getting this what is it called?
Bad Girl
Bad
mascara.
Girl Bang mascara. Because look at these girls' eyelashes; they look absolutely amazing. So thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, all the products are down below and there's a link to Benefit.
I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please give the video a like, hit the bell, hit subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.